Hey, Michelle O'Neill here, Monday Mastery Moments with Michelle. And this week, I want to do something a little different. I want to take you on a project that I'm working on within the walls of my home. See you on the other side. Hey, so I told you about the project I was working on in my home. And as you can see, I have words up here. Ones that wisdom is knowing the right path to take, integrity is taking it. So what I decided is, words give you life. And one of the most important things that I think that I need to feast on every day is words that encourage me, that lift me up, that speak to me. And what brought this about was a few weeks ago, we had a man come in to do some plumbing for us. And when he came in, we were talking and he said, you know what? I loved walking in your home and seeing the words blessed on your wall. He said it was so encouraging to me. And I realized that the words don't only speak to me, but they spoke to others too. And so it was important that when people come to visit, when people come into my home, not only that I was uplifted, but that they were uplifted too. That's what's so important and why I am currently running a journaling challenge. Because not only do the words that we see speak to us, but the words that we say speak to us, but also the words that we write, they speak to our soul too. They speak to our heart. And so we must start looking at the things that we say to ourselves, the things that we put down in writing, how we see ourselves, how we see others. Are our words encouraging? Are our words lifting others up? Or are our words tearing others down? Are our words dark? Are our words dragging to our spirit, to our soul, to our heart? We have to look at these things as we go about our day because words are life. So that's what I'm doing in my world. Now I'm being very intentional about the words that I speak, the words that I use for others, the words that I look upon each day, and the words that I write. So I hope this has encouraged you this day. I'm not even going to be here long because I have another few words that I need to put on the wall. In fact, those words I will be putting on our staircase or on the wall as we walk up the staircase to remind us of something that I feel is important. So until next time, I hope these words have encouraged you, caused you to think, and caused you to take action in your life this day on Monday Mastery Moments with Michelle. Take care.